cùng nông thu bao anh lượt tê hấp đánh đầm mít bật đúng chỉ sụp trong ca cho biên cho ngài xa la đi hip hi shim nu em cũng tên siêu ngài đã không ai nạp hi nong cả con du ca ba hit tam na ba ro ap pa shnong man ba gan đi nạp hi cầm muốn mang ngài đã cùng ai du ai bây giờ ro man cả si shu chỉ vì hi play yai cùng bị hi hala đến na cả trong lòng ca ba pe tăng sur ke tin as ngài ro hung ai cùng bong hi bler hadon en mang ngak loi viên be jakang.
Yo, what's up everyone, Khasi people, welcome back again. Peace out, peace from Africa. And today we are checking WANJOP. Hello my guy, he's one of my favorite singer from Khasi guys. So today he has music by the title PADUH, DJ MAYAN, X Frenzy and WANJOP guys. Wow, so curious to check it out. Let me know what does it mean by PADUH, okay? You want me to guess? For sure, I think it is a lovely word in Khasi. A lovely Khasi word. I'm just guessing because I know WANJOP love singing about romance, the love, the feeling, emotion. Mostly this is what they do. So kindly join the African family. Let's do it. Subscribe. Let's go. Start. GM Picture. Good morning pictures. Yes. Mad local music production. PADUH, DJ MAYAN. Wow, see the beauty just. Hey, it's good. Barcelona. I am Madrid, man.
Let's let me pee on dung a lot of dungeon moon. La Gabi yang ashi sendan ngan kalaba moon. Wala jing jitu jung abaro kilayo I. Ngan tray minon na du mentana kabanta jung ti. Hajin mun jung kur kajung api unti jing kang. Ngas no kumba tang shuyo I pi baro la piang. Kumus la buba ay umyaka kendo berkyang. Jingi tamar kum juvan yona kingan desyang. Hadon en mga kloy bien bejakang. Moklama piga jung hutali sudan. Dumasyu ngan lepan sarandon. Kore bangin sim ngashaka bang kaliman. Hatok kloy mawi nalan mangan. Lamang sim rang bakloy benyain kalang. Ting pina magsim wile no la shushu. Kranyam bika jung man ngashaka yalong PADUH. Hitam na baro apa shnong man bagan di na pi kamun mangada kuwai duai bejaro man kasi shu jivi play yai kum bi hala de na ka jung long ka ba per tang shur ke tina jai ro hunga kum bong hi bler hadon en mangak loi bien bejakang.
You know what? First of all, the beat is so nice. Like, I love the beat. I can even dance in this beat or in this music without knowing the lyrics. Because WANJOP, my brother, are you watching? Why are you not giving subtitle, bro? We are also watching you, man. We want to understand the Khasi language, the Khasi lyrics, man. Please, next time, put subtitle, man. You're a big guy. You're global, man. We are watching you out. And this little girl, like, she's just super amazing. Like, WANJOP, you should also sign her. The little girl dancing in this music video. Sign her to the local music industry. Believe me, you will never regret it. She will help you in future. Let's do it. You can also sign me. Yeah, this girl only. You have to sign her. Pina magsim wile no la shushu. Kranyam bika jung man ngashaka yalong PADUH. This is, I think this guy, I know him. Yo,
aku kun kedua, kot kina pida kedua. Kelingan aki bro samar jan and pi bersia kendo. Na do bayo ji na pi sur ngai jong mut na bro no maya kan show. Tang namar ba pet si pet na pi ki baya pendam kina ngau PADUH. Ani ka jong hiam, kong isa mano syangi nengi kian. Lama hilu ju pun kakam da ber da shawan sat yu kau. Ada ka jan pendian nulong kum ki wei ki bayam lian. Hala ka jong long bale basian waktu na jong mut manga batabian. Nai na jong hit manga berjalan. Nu ang agi thai hane baro baslo Tang bangi ba jadi mangapa jingun jeng berkat ngiro bakam jelo Ya per nagi thai bana seru pi pa simple instaro no le di pi whatsapp ka blur nu be pi karyam ka berem Tek por pong rasam ani shupo baro shirin yeng
What is his name, guys? This guy is super. Yes, WANJOP. This guy who was rapping, man, is baddest. Let me know his name. Is he the Frenzy? I think it's Frenzy. Frenzy. Oh, Frenzy. Follow your dream, bro. They used to say you have to chase your dream. So this guy is chasing his dream. His dream is that girl, guys. Wow. Today at least I saw one of baddest rapper, guys. Baddest Khasi rapper. I think it's Frenzy. Frenzy, bro. Are you Frenzy? You did it, man. You are baddest. I love the flow. I love the flow. Though I don't understand the lyric, but I just feel like this guy is motivating, inspiring people out here, eh? Man, that's so lit. I love it. And the music video, like, is nice, guys. It's nice. And I can guess the story, like, it's like how the boy is falling for the girl, having feeling, following, and trying to express, trying to show the love. This is what I can tell about this music video. And nice, guys. WANJOP, sign this little girl. And next time, please kindly put subtitle, English subtitle, okay? Because we are watching you out. Love from Africa. God bless you, boy.